Make a great choice today with the 2020 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Sirius XM radio, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather seats, compass. Come take a test drive today.